Bonjour et bienvenue. Are you ready to start learning French? In today's lesson, we'll go through some common French phrases that you can use in everyday conversations. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, start learning foreign language, and hit the like button if you find this lesson helpful. Also, check the description below to get the best collection of French books and dictionaries at a huge discounted price. Let's start with some basic greetings. Repeat after me. Hello. Bonjour. Good morning. Bonjour. Yes, it works for both. Good evening. Bonsoir. Good night. Bonne nuit. How are you? Comment ça va? I'm fine. Thank you. Je vais bien. Merci. And you? Et vous? Formal. Et toi? Informal. Now, let's learn how to introduce yourself. My name is... Je m'appelle. Your name. What's your name? Comment vous appelez-vous? Formal. Comment tu t'appelles? Informal. Nice to meet you. Enchanté. Add E if you're female. Politeness is important in French culture. Here are some must-know phrases. Please, s'il vous plaît, formal. S'il te plaît, informal. Thank you. Merci, you're welcome. De rien. Excuse me, sorry, excusez-moi, pardon. Now, let's go over some everyday useful questions. Where is? Où est? Where is the taxi? Où est le taxi? Where is the hotel? Où est l'hôtel? How much does this cost? Combien ça coûte? I would like... Je voudrais... I would like a coffee, please. Je voudrais un café, s'il vous plaît. Great job! You now know some essential French phrases. Keep practicing, and soon you'll feel confident using them in real conversations. Don't forget to subscribe to start learning foreign language for more fun and easy lessons. Like and share this video, and check the description below for amazing deals on French books and dictionaries. À bientôt!